The instruction I had gotten that time was that consider
Apugan neso Carlo ilukumni arekeda kaisare Abu Adutak Teso College Aloet Ebilion Tedope Ichunyak Ibilionak Patakany Kanu Asipokina Atuta Osemerongol.
So what we've done here, we had our columns at various sections. The bases, they are cast down in the base, and then we have the reinforcement bars running in the beam and making the toe of this retaining wall. Once we cast the base, we are going to build a brick wall on the edge of the outside of this wall as support, which will also waterproof, and then we do the formwork on the outer side, and we also cast it in concrete.
Alfred Kiaka Atupiton e commissioner Kotomo Sever Lukash Senior ko Uganda ngesi kia Untebe apuga nese jas kada ina peta no ayata ki kada adukono kino na aboisho kangun.
as government, we are not also going to run away. We shall use that phased approach. You have realized it is a need. We need to have a complete set, and we are leaving this place when we are knowing that there is that gap.
Eriongetelo ap lo ashoman kedaboli asho yesida obui jaik UPDF Construction Brigade aina pena noda anyinebe atuta ngin nesi asipo kino Teso College Aloet Engarni Kiniton aduko koluka UPDF Lieutenant Colonel Peter Seku Kedumuka Loda ingarni kit aina peta ngun ngesda ejamu nebe aduko ngin nesebuni asangakin olap loy kanyet okarukalo.
First and foremost, I take this opportunity to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda and the Commander-in-Chief, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for enabling and planning well, allow UPDF participate in the contribution of development of our economy through construction industry. It has been a very, very good gesture on our side. His Excellency is a good planner. All along he was telling the public he's going to take on construction works and they couldn't believe. But he did the planning long time ago. This is an overview as a brigade commander.
Yes, you are taking the
Julius Opaso Apollo Semelo Teso College Aloet ngesda ikeo Ntebe erasinguna ina pena nusodit Teso Kwapari Adomun Kotoma Apak Kana.
Wondering whether in me, because normally when people come and want to use the pool, especially outsiders like students from other schools, they come in buses. I am wondering whether there is going to be another access point this way, such that maybe when students come through this point, the vehicles come and park through this, or when those people come in big numbers, they come to the field and then they access the pool through this point. I'm just wondering whether there will be another access point here. And if it's not going to be there, I want to believe that it should be very important to have another one here.
As it stands, we are now ready to cast the base of this pool. Yeah, and once we cast the base of the pool, we build the walls, and then we backfill, and essentially the pool will be almost 90% complete.
Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.